All right, this was a presentation I was going to go over after spring break over the stuff we were talking about for manufacturing projects and wood projects. It's just processes and materials of technology. And these are things that we are working with in class somewhat. Some of them are things we're just going to talk about. But what are engineering materials? These are materials that are physically turned into products. So the things that get gathered and get turned into materials that you buy. So, like pictures here, sheet metal, plastic beads get melted down. You got your lumber that gets cut out of trees. You got engineering materials, standard stock, which is like your lumber, and then industrial materials. And production materials. Now, where do materials come from? Well, they come from all over the place. We have organic materials that we pull from the earth or gather from the earth. Okay, so wood comes from living things, trees are plants, and all that. Inorganic materials, these are the things that are harvested from inside the earth, so like things that are mined out, like coal and metal and oil and things like that. That's inorganic materials. And then, like it says, metal comes from mineral deposits in the earth. There are two ways to obtain materials. We can extract materials, or extracting, which would be like your mining that's happening in the picture there on the bottom, or you're drilling for oil, or you're blasting into the mountainside to go into try to get coal or whatever else is inside the mine. And then you have harvesting. Now, up at the top picture on the side there, that's tree harvesting. They're cutting down trees to harvest lumber. There's other things that we harvest around here that farmers take care of and things like that. So there are two different ways there that we do this. We extract it, which is we pull it from the earth and it doesn't return for a long, long time because of the way it's made. And there's a harvesting where we can gather it and then we can regrow it. And then it's kind of a replenished source when we take care of things. What are materials commonly used to make products? We have polymers, metals, ceramics, composites, and I'm going to talk about these as we go through the PowerPoint. I'm going to stop at polymers today, and then you guys will answer the questions on the document, and then move on to the next two, and so on and so forth. So polymers. We have natural polymers that are found in nature, such as wood, wool, cotton, silk, rubber, and latex. If you guys didn't know, rubber and latex, the rubber is actually found from sap from a tree. Then there's synthetic polymers, ones that we create, we make. These are thermosets and thermoplastics. So they're both types of plastics. Those are synthetic polymers. And natural polymers would be your wood, your wool, your cotton, your silk, and your rubber and latex.